In this aid, we will voice our for the most part own and market's perspective on Nexo future while examining Nexo cost figure for 2023 and past in a huge manner. If it's not too much trouble, essentially remember that you want to believe this and any sort of other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything truly is a difficult errand, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Nexo in an unobtrusive manner. Presently, we should head into it, which generally is very critical. Before we dig profound into the Nexo value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that Nexo is a very wise venture or not. For what reason will Nexo by and large succeed or truly come up short, or for what reason will Nexo value rise or drop? We should rapidly, in a real sense, toss a look at what most certainly is Nexo and its to-date history in a truly significant manner. What basically is Nexo? Genuinely, in spite of mainstream thinking, Nexo especially is an essentially special loaning stage that permits you to procure revenue on actually your cryptographic money speculations, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking fundamentally. Financing costs sort of differ by conveyance technique and coin, yet you can in every practical sense hope to procure somewhere in the range of 6% and 12% APR, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Nexo sort of is situated in Switzerland, which basically makes it in every way that really matters less powerless against expanding US in a for the most part significant manner. Guideline of crypto loaning stages. Nexo likewise permits you to take out credits in view of how much cryptographic money and by and large your record without selling kind of your coins and repurchasing them, or so they especially thought. Financing costs for advances start at 5.90% APR, which certainly is genuinely critical. However, you can't at present truly purchase or truly sell digital currencies through the Nexo stage. The crypto bank account supplier basically offers a high return strategy for financial backers to sort of bring in cash on especially inactive coins and fiat in a truly significant manner. How does the Nexo really token respond? Essentially, in spite of mainstream thinking, Nexo basically was made during the ICO and dispersed to the group and early adopters, showing that before we dive pretty profound into the Nexo value expectation and answer questions assuming that Nexo is a kind of wise venture or not. For what reason will Nexo truly succeed or by and large fizzle, or for what reason will Nexo value rise or drop? We should rapidly truly toss a look at what explicitly is Nexo and its to-date history in an unpretentious manner. The firm offers up to 30% of its benefits with Nexo holders in a for the most part enormous manner. The Nexo in every practical sense token supports the credit and store biological system. Holding the genuinely token qualifies purchasers for a 30% portion of organization benefits, similar to a profit. Nexo claims it really has paid more than $9 million to token holders beginning around 2018. Which generally is very huge. The really token likewise for the most part has in every practical sense barely any advantages for cryptographic money premium record clients in a significant manner. In the case of holding Nexo, clients can, 1. In every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking, acquire an extra 2% APY on their stores, bringing stablecoins up to 12% and genuinely other digital forms of money to 8%, which most certainly is genuinely critical. 2. Showing how, however, you can't at present certainly purchase or sort of sell digital currencies through the Nexo stage. The crypto investment account supplier sort of offers a by and large high return technique for financial backers to for the most part bring in cash on essentially inactive coins and fiat, which generally is genuinely critical. Get 5.9% for Nexo's moment crypto credit lines in an unpretentious manner. Other digital currency premium record stages certainly have comparable tokens. Celsius most certainly has Cell, Crypto.com generally has Crow, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. They certainly appear to be an explicitly means to more and boost early adopters to utilize the stage and really hold the genuinely token in a significant manner. Nexo value expectation for the sort of next 10 days, which sort of is very huge. The entire crypto world most certainly is on an edge of an essentially complete breakdown. Bitcoin in a real sense has fallen 75% from its untouched all things considered high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs in a sort of significant manner. When certainly add the latest implosions of gigantic industry players into the situation, the horizon in every way that really matters is cloudy, and there will generally be substantially more blood in the city of the crypto town, showing how financing costs certainly change by conveyance technique and coin. Yet you can hope, to all things considered, procure somewhere in the range of 6% and 12% APR. Financial backers explicitly are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional stable business sectors, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Crypto basically is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe explicitly play, and consequently the auction in an unpretentious manner. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the exact moment part of the year, which sort of is genuinely critical. This is in a real sense reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin in every practical sense necessitates to explicitly find a base before we can move in the fundamentally inverse course and essentially alter the course. Kind of additional appearance how Nexo was made during the ICO and dispersed to the group and all things considered, early adopters, showing that before we dig profound into the Nexo value expectation and answer questions assuming Nexo explicitly isn't in every practical sense, wise speculation or not. For what reason will Nexo generally succeed or certainly come up short, or for what reason will Nexo value rise or drop? We should rapidly, all things considered, toss a look at what fundamentally is Nexo and its to-date history, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will in a real sense start to fundamentally do likewise. We explicitly have seen this situation many most certainly times in the far off and by and large later history in an unobtrusive manner. Our cost expectation model explicitly is negative for the most part next 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, exhibiting that truly procure an extra 2% APY on their stores, bringing stablecoins up to 12% and in every practical sense, other digital currencies to 8%, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. We really expect whales and for the most part other sort of greater players in the market to in every practical sense wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike in an unpretentious manner. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and major evaluation of each task, showing how at the present time, Bitcoin generally needs to generally find a base before we can move in the very inverse heading and really alter the course. Kind of additional appearance how Nexo basically was made during the ICO and disseminated to the group and really early adopters, exhibiting that before we dig sort of profound into the Nexo value forecast and answer questions assuming Nexo sort of is a sort of wise venture or not, for what reason will Nexo for the most part succeed or in every practical sense fall flat, or for what reason will Nexo value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what basically is Nexo and its to-date history, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Basics that we especially assess truly are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical kind of potential, and a few other truly restrictive elements created in our crypto lab in a kind of significant manner. 2023 0320 plus 5.09% $0 6684 2023 03 21 plus 6.34% $0 6764 2023 03 22 plus 6.13% $0 6750 2023 03 23 plus 0.69% $0 6404 2023 03 24 plus 4.45% $0 6643 2023 03 250.90% $0 6303 2023